Hi guys, Retro Django here. Welcome back to my channel. Look at this beautiful old PlayStation 3. I just got it donated by a Danish viewer, subscriber, and I am just so happy with this donation. Usually I don't show, not usually, lately I stopped showing all donations, but this one I have to show it because this one has a real nice story. Now this donator is called Morten, lives here in Denmark, and this is his childhood Commodore 128. This one is his Amiga 1200, and he had two Commodore 64s also. So he got divorced back in 2019, and he actually wrote to me about a month ago that he watched most of 2019 when he was, down, depressed. He watched my videos. My English is not the best, so he could, when I'm talking, he knew I was from Denmark. So he enjoyed his childhood computers through my channel. I had Commodore 64 Amiga content, and he enjoyed it most of 2019. Really great story. I really enjoyed it. I met with the guy a couple of hours ago, and such a nice guy. He's back with a new girlfriend and having a blast. And he actually said that he would never use this, and he just enjoyed the content, just film repairing and stuff like that. Then he would be happy. But to my big surprise, he had a PlayStation 3 also. He has got PlayStation 5, he says. So I've never had one of these. I know there's a fat version, this version, and a super slim version when you slide the drive to the side and insert the CD. So which version is the best? I don't know. Aesthetics, I like this one, but yeah. So I just connected the power cable and HDMI cable, and I'm gonna turn it on for the first time. It's really dusty. And I am getting no signal. Maybe it's dead. I don't know. Oh. Yeah. Beautiful stuff. Okay. PlayStation 3. I have never owned one of these. Okay. I'm an Xbox guy. 360 and now Xbox One. I enjoyed with my son. So yeah, this is the PlayStation here. Let's see. Yeah, also so okay, we're not going to go through the hard disk. I'm gonna make another video where I show how to reset and clean up one of these nice computers, consoles. We have got a CD called Sports Champions. We have got, oh, I know this game, man, Bulletstorm. Let's just put this one in. Should it sound like that? Bulletstorm, really nice game for the PlayStation. I know this, I have seen this. Saints Row 2. Saints Row 1 is great. Saints Row 2 is a masterpiece. Saints Row 3 is one of the best games ever made. I love the third one. Bought in Fona for 500 Danish kroners back in, a lot of years ago, guys. Really nice game. Fully recommended. Man, it's great. What a great donation. Tak skal du have, Morten. Tak på PlayStation 3. Tak for begge Commodore 120, Commodore 64, Commodore 128 og Amiga 1200. Jeg skal nok lave video, hvor jeg går dem igennem. Tak skal du have, og jeg håber, du får det godt i fremtiden. Guys, another game. GTA 5. Yeah. Not much to tell about Gran Turismo, man. It's the fifth one, and one of the most popular games for the consoles today. Lost Planet Extreme Condition. One of these, I actually played it on my Xbox 360 and it was really nice game. Thanks, man. We have Rockstar Games Red Dead Redemption. This is actually GTA 5 in you know, your cowboy riding horses instead of cars. Played it for 2 minutes, that was it. many years ago when it came out. It didn't catch me back then. I don't know, I'm gonna try it, that's for sure. Whoa, Gran Turismo 6. I had a PlayStation 1. I played Final Fantasy 7 and Gran Turismo 1. And short Gran Turismo 2, and then I was all into the ladies and I stopped everything, computing, console and stuff like that, but really need to try this. Another Gran Turismo game, Gran Turismo 5. I'm just gonna check if the CDs are inside the box also, because this one is missing the box. So yeah, it is what it is, but still, I'm so happy. Really nice donation. I'm gonna enjoy everything together with my son. Oh, look at the controller, guys. It's missing the plastic. Yeah. Next game, it's called Motorstorm Pacific Rift. Okay, looks nice. FIFA, junk. FIFA, junk. Assassin's Creed. Nice. Resistance, Fall of Men. I remember when the PlayStation 3 was advertised everywhere. This game was on TV showing amazing graphics, so this is absolutely a must try. Spyro, Dawn of the Dragon. It was popular on PlayStation 1, I remember that. I mean, look at the discs. Oh man, these looks like new. Yeah. We have another Gran Turismo 5 prologue. Okay. Beowulf, the game. Don't know. Hey, Resistance 2. Nice. I hope the CD is inside. Yeah. Look at this, guys. Isn't that great? What a nice donation. And let me tell you, this week we have I'm home for the week, vacation time in Denmark. Usually I have an Amiga setup here, Amiga 4000 TX or Amiga 1200, Amiga 500 plus, nerding a lot of Amiga stuff, showing it on my YouTube channel. But this last week, no Amigas has been connected here, guys. No retro PCs. I have been all into PlayStation 1, PlayStation 2, Nintendo Wii, Nintendo NES. I mean, the Nintendo Entertainment System from '85. Woo! I'm playing Mega Man 2. I'm playing Super Mario 3. I'm having such a blast trying all these old retro consoles. I don't think the PlayStation 3 is retro yet. The PlayStation 3 is actually, I don't know the rest of the world, but in Denmark it's just dirt cheap. You can get one of these for, they're so cheap, maybe 50 euros, maybe 100 euros, you know, under 100 euros. I have seen the prices, they cost nothing and people doesn't buy them. If you buy this in Gran Turismo 3, you will get so much gameplay for your money, man. I mean, wow. And together with this, I have got this, what are they called? iMove. They were called iMove controllers, guys. I've got 2 of them. And this iMove camera. Again, 2 other Commodore 64s. And, you know, PSUs, joysticks, and some games and stuff like that. Great stuff. But this video is all about the PlayStation 3 because I'm hooked, man. a whole system generation that I haven't played. Of course, I have the Xbox 360. This one was out at the same time with the 360. Most of the games, okay, not games like Resistance, not games like Gran Turismo. I know they're exclusive for the PlayStation, but other games, GTA 4 here, and I tried it on my Xbox 360. So, but still, we have some exclusives, and this PlayStation 3. I know that one of the things that I'm looking forward to is actually the old games we played on the PlayStation 1 and 2. They have made, these bundles, these remakes, pump up the graphics for the HD, and I'm gonna try some of these old games, man. God of War should have a super nice bundle for the PlayStation 3, just a must-have. And when I'm used to the retro stuff, graphics like this here on this screen, it's incredible because my Xbox One is in my living room on my big screen TV. I know when I'm at my living room, when I'm playing games with my son, it's just state of the art. But in here, I'm just used to all the retro stuff. So this is just mind blowing, man. We have Blazing Angels 2. When I was younger, I actually really enjoyed these, World War II flight games. Maybe I still like it. Guitar Hero, the guitar is missing. This is the Aerosmith edition with Sweet Emotion, Dream On, Walk This Way. I love that one. Love an Elevator. Ah, nice. GTA 4. Wow. I mean, this game, when it came out, yeah, really nice game. But still, would I prefer playing GTA 4, or Saints Row 3? I would pick Saints Row every day. Mercenaries 2, World in Flames. Recycled game. Nice. Dead Island. Man, everything looks. It looks like brand new. I have some dust on the console, but guys, that's about it, man. I like it. Just Dance 4. Oh, you will need these. Okay, so these are for Just Dance. They're also rechargeable. Thinking about playing, Star Wars game and use this as a lightsaber. I don't know. It looks like a knockoff from the old, what's it called, Nintendo Wii, right? Feels like PlayStation. Sony saw that and let's make our own edition. So yeah, Just Dance, more than 40 hit tracks. Oh, that's nice. Yeah. Nice. FIFA junk. Let me see here. Kung Fu Rider. Okay. Can be played with PlayStation Move. I have absolutely no idea what this game is all about, man. But we're gonna try it out. And if you like to see stuff like this, go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I'm gonna film this, man. Just Dance 2017 edition. Okay. Man, looks nice. It looks amazing. Red Dead Redemption Undead Nightmare. So I don't know if this is a sequel or just an expansion or something. But I'm absolutely gonna try it, man. Absolutely. It's an 18+ game. Wow. What a great donation. Guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this PlayStation 3 donation video. Just a short video showing the games, showing the dusty condition of the PlayStation here. We're gonna make a cleanup video to together, guys. We're probably gonna make some gameplay videos, and I'm thinking about starting collecting for the PlayStation 3. It reminds me of the Xbox 360, yes, but they have some exclusives, just like, you know, Gears of War, Halo on the other system. I missed out on so much, man. I was at my friend's place when he got the PlayStation 3, the big model when it came out, with 4 USBs, with backward compatibility to PlayStation 2 and 1 games, and 20 gigabyte hard disk, and he played what was it called? Uncharted. That Uncharted game was a blast, and I couldn't have it on my 360. So I'm gonna go ahead and buy the guys. I know how you are. You don't need to write to me and donate me. I'm gonna buy it myself. Thank you, guys. I know how you are. But yeah, just want to make this short video. Short and short. I've been talking for 16 minutes. Sorry, guys. So I want to say thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. And as always, special thanks to my supporters on Patreon. Here you can go. Their names. Great guys. And I wish you a great day out there, guys. See you on the next video. Bye.